Hello guys, this video is for Introduction to Data Structures and Algorithm in Java. In this introduction video, I will explain you about what is data structure, when to use data structure, why to use data structures, and the table of contents that we will be seeing in our further videos. These videos are planned on every consecutive 3 days of new videos uploaded on new chapters. In this world, there are different types of data are available. They are structured, unstructured, quasi-structured, and semi-structured data. These data are collected from different types of sources for a purpose of analytics or information to find the patterns and that could give us some new ideas. So we need to store this data. For that we are using these data structures. Let us see what are data structures when we use data structures now. In simple terms, we saw what are data structures. They are used to store data. Actually, where they get stored? They get stored in computer's memory. They provide a symmetric approach to manage and manipulate the data efficiently. There can be any complex objects or elements that can be stored in our data structures. The arrangement and organization of these determine the behavior and capability of the data structure. Data structures can be classified into several categories based on the characteristics and usage. So, common types we used are arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Even hash tables have been generated through it. What we have saw still is just the outline. Many other algorithms derive from this. This is about the data. Now let us see why are they important in applications and what is the purpose of its real time. For creating a scalable software, we need these data structures because they provide efficient way to store large data and fast data retrieval and data manipulation. They can manipulate the data at any time, and algorithm optimization can be obtained from this. The scalability is very high in data structures. Now you all might have some doubts that where to use and when to use these type of data structures in applications. Let us see some with examples. Let us consider a popular example, Spotify. It's a music streaming platform, uses various data structures to efficiently manage and provide a seamless user experience. In that, arrays and lists, hash tables, trees, and queues are generated. Arrays and lists is in the form of storing the songs, the playlist, albums, and user data. They provide a faster access, and then they will be creating a hash table for it to enable the fast lookup based on unique identifiers such as song or artist IDs. Trees will be generated in the basis of hierarchical data structures. These hierarchical data structures will be storing the genres of the song, and it will provide a recommendation for the users. Queues. Everyone listens to many playlists. The playlist contains lot of songs which will be linked to another song. These link between the songs is managed by the queues. Queues enable the sequential processing, manages a playback system to order the songs in a playlist. Even we may use different types of sorting algorithms in the applications. These are just few examples of data structures that used in Spotify to manage and optimize the data. Therefore, there is one such good example to analyze how data structures have been used in an application in different formats. Now we came to know how these data structures are used in different types of applications, and we need to find the evaluation metrics for this. Here we use big O notations. To analyze and compare the performance of different types of algorithms used in data structures, we introduce this big O notation. You will discover how to evaluate the efficiency of the algorithm in terms of time and space complexity. In our further videos, we will be seeing about these concepts on sorting algorithms, searching, dynamic programming, and divide and conquer, and graphs and nodes. On our next video, we will be seeing the basic real-time examples and continue with Java programming. Stay tuned for the next review. See you soon on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for the video.